Hello, my name is Simon Colquhoun and I live in Oban in Scotland. I want to thank you for buying this Udemy course and I hope that you take action and follow the instructions. So this is a picture of Oban here. As you can see, it's all very nice. It's right beside the waterfront and we make a lot of whisky in Scotland, especially in Oban. So who am I and why should you follow my course? So as you can see, I've been internet marketing now for 5 years. I understand how frustrating and disappointing it is trying to work out different systems, what works, what doesn't work. It's a very frustrating process, and you don't have any help from any of your family or any of your friends. They all think you're crazy because you're spending this amount of money online and you're not getting any results. Um, and so I know how frustrating it is, but I have finally figured it out, and this is the reason why I developed this course, is because I wanted to share it with you, and hopefully your path will be much quicker than the path that I've taken to make money online. Now, eventually, once the system's all set up, I'm going to show you how to set the system up, and it does generate me between $200 and $300 every day. It fluctuates, it just really depends. It doesn't happen overnight. You have to set the system up and then you have to build your list and then eventually it does work. But this system that I developed got me out of a 10 grand debt that I was in with my credit card company. And this was only, the debt was only incurred because I was trying to make money online and I was spending money on solo adverts and all these other different programs and none of them worked out. And I just got deeper and deeper into debt. But luckily, I managed to work it out before it got out of hand, and now I've recovered the situation. So I'm going to give you the exact course that I created to help you become financially free. I'm not going to give you any hype or any BS. It's a simple system that does actually work, and you've probably heard it all before. But if you follow the instructions, which I give you, there's no reason why it won't work for you. There's no reason for that. Now, the only other thing it's going to cost you money to set up, and this is a thing that people have, a mindset that they have, that they think it's an online business. I should be able to make money without paying money into it, and it doesn't really work like that. You have to think of it as a legitimate business, and any legitimate business requires spending money. And just for example, you're going to need a domain name, you're going to need hosting, and you're not going to need an autoresponder. Without these fundamentals in place, you're not going to make any money at all. So once you get past that issue, if you have an issue about spending money, you need to get past that. Um, and because the system does require you to spend a bit of money to start off with, but you do get the money back. You do get the money back. So this is just something to think about. Um, yeah, so it does take a while to set everything up. I mean, it's probably going to, it depends on your time, what time you have available. I know how busy people are with family and friends and things like this. But if you just spend an hour or two before you go to bed, or wake up an hour before you go to work, and just you could set this up within a month. I mean, seriously, all you need to do is set it up within a month. Send solo adverts to the landing page, which I'm going to show you how to build. Build the list, and then you will start seeing results. My email address is simonfunhouse@gmail.com. So that's take a note of that, and please email me if you are interested in this, because I know a lot of people will probably buy this course and they will either lose interest or they won't want to spend the money, or they will have some other reason in their head not to do it. But I know there are a couple of people out there that do want to make money and they do want to change their life. for the better, for their family, for their friends, whatever. And I need to speak to you. You need to email me and we can chat and I can help you. I'll help you for free. I'm not going to be one of these people that charge a lot of money to help. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to help you every step of the way. So please email me at simonfunhouse@gmail.com. And then, of course, you can join me on Facebook. And this is my Facebook page here. So if you go to Facebook and type in Simon Colquhoun page in the search box, so that's spelled Colhoun, there's no Q in that, Simon Colquhoun page, and you'll see this page here. It's got a picture of Plockton in Scotland in it, and this is where I went to visit recently. So definitely like me on Facebook and contact me. It's very important that you take action, and it's just really having the right mental attitude as well. I know you've probably heard all that before, but this training course that I developed over the 5 years is just pieces of a jigsaw that I've put together, and it does actually work. So if you join, if you follow the course, it is a shortcut to making a residual income, and I hope that I can make a difference to someone's life, and that's the reason why I'm doing this. I'm not just doing this to make money for selling the program. Actually, the money just goes towards hosting, my domain names, all this other business stuff. It's hardly any of it goes to profit. It's all reinvested, actually. And it's not really about that. It's about making a difference to someone's life. So please get in contact with me. Send me an email or message me on Facebook, and I look forward to working with you and helping you wherever you are in the world. Thank you for watching the first introduction video of the course. All the next videos it's all step-by-step instructions. It's all easy to follow, so you shouldn't really have any problems. But if you do, contact me. Enjoy the course, have fun, take lots of notes, and remember to be organised. Organisation really will save you a lot of time and hassle. So enjoy the course, and please send me any of your comments or any suggestions on how I can improve it for next time. Thank you.